Hi guys! Hi, so disclaimer, there's no intro music editing before the video started because I lost it because it has been a hot minute since my last upload and I don't know where that video is right now, so yeah. Enjoy the video, bye! Okay, welcome back on my very new video, and I can't talk very loud because my mom is sleeping on the other room, and if I talk loudly, I will. Yeah. Okay. So, it has been a while. When was my last upload? 6 months ago. My last upload was 6 months ago. July 9. And today is January 26, 2025. Happy New Year to everyone. I didn't upload a New Year vlog because this New Year we were very busy. This Christmas we were also very busy. So okay. So, as you can see from the title, from the thumbnail and everything, this vlog is about my school camp. And this vlog is made without any planning because first, hindi ko alam kung pwede mag-video sa camp namin and upload it on YouTube. Second, hindi ko rin alam kung makakapag-video ako throughout the camp kasi I think most of the time our schedule is occupied. Third, I have social anxiety. I cannot stand taking vids on public with many people, especially this is like a whole great thing. And third, am I on my third reason? Third is I did not plan what I was gonna do for this, so yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna talk about details about the camp because I feel like you need to know too, right? So let me open my Gmail. Okay, so according here, my bus number is bus number 4 and seat number 22, which apparently my seatmate is a boy and he's very loud. I don't blame. I'm not complaining. I'm gonna be occupied the whole bus ride. It's only an hour ride, so di naman siya ganun kahaba. So tomorrow I have to wake up around 4 a.m. I don't even think 4 a.m. is enough time because I have to be at school at 5. But I have to wake up 4 a.m. which I am damn sure I'm not gonna wake up at 4 a.m. because I'm gonna be hitting that snooze button. I'm gonna try not to hit that snooze button because I don't want to miss my bus, and I'm gonna be chasing after that bus if I miss it. Okay, and then I feel like I'm about to show more bus clips than the actual camp, but yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna show you my bag though because I finished packing. This is my bag. I'm never finished packing because I have to pack my lunch and my water and pocket money, but other than that, everything is in here. I'm opening my phone because it's hot. Okay, so now it's gonna be a little bit loud and windy, but it's only me, so that's the point of this little hat. It's from A6, I don't know, but yeah, some of my sections are yeah. I'm super because my mother doesn't even know about it. So chip 1, chip 2, no, chip 2. On the side, I have this fan, 99%, so she's ready. I have this Graham, cause for my last vlog, Graham also made an appearance. Graham does not sponsor me. Pocky and Graham. And for some Okay, also, I woke up my mother. So, like, I have to go back tomorrow. See you tomorrow once I wake up. Yeah. Hi guys, update. I look a little bit... I look rough right now, but I want to update you. It has been a few hours since the last clip. And hindi pa rin nagsisink in na bukas ng leadership camp namin. So like, I don't know kung magigising ako ng 4 a.m. Like, so sana hindi ko i-snooze yung alarm ko. Because I snooze my alarm because of muscle memory. Like, tulog ako, alam kong nag-alarm, and then I hit snooze without me realizing. Like, flip, that's talent. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna update you tomorrow when I wake up. And I hope this vlog doesn't fail because I'm looking forward to upload again in my YouTube channel, but it has been a hot minute since my last upload. Kasi di ko alam kung ano i-upload ko, so like, I have to take my chances. Okay, yeah, thank you for this other clip, so let's wait for tomorrow and hope for the best.
Portrait. Ogi. Ay, sorry. Motorcycle pala yun. What's up, guys? My name is King. Recording somewhere. Hi. What's up, Ray? Ay, bawal Zoom. O nga pala, di pala ito messenger. What's up, Cheska? Sige ka. Wait. Hi, guys. Kaya ba kami, guys? Gusto kaya ba kami, guys? Marami na namang gago. Thomas. Ang weirdo na yun to, kung saan na ano, padpad.
Sumusapak-sapakin ko nga lang ano.
Pagod gang. Pagod team.
Hi guys.
Pagod Jamet.
Guys, subscribe na.
Oh my god, I'm a vlogger. Hi guys, this is Cheska's vlog. Ano ba naman itong hat na to? Say hi. I'm with Peru people. And this is the vlogger. Oh, I love vloggers.
I don't know, you get out.
Timothy! Okay, punta kay Timothy. Vlog ni Cheska, say hi.
Hello!
Si Jenfred po, kasama ko na naman.
Hindi ako nag-video niyan, halos. Guys, nadapa ako kanina.
Mag-hi ka, James Reed. Sabi talaga, ganyan talaga mga James Reed people. May tent! May tent to. Ayun o. Pikaw. Yup. Sino pa wala sa vlog ni Cheska? Ikaw. Shout out yourself, bro.
Shout out kay Aldrich Cruz. 1K followers na.
Meron po tayong creature dito.
Ayun!
Nakita niyo ba guys?
Te, mukha siyang... Hindi ko alam.
Ay, hindi. Mukhang ano. Okay na? Paano to?
Patay mo yung red.
Tapos kalagay mo to sa vlog. Grabe. Isa pa, isa pa. Uy.
Mag-vlog ko ulit na.
Labol ko.
Kasama ko si James Reid! James Reid!
Ngayon lang to.
Tayo to guys. James Reid ng Peru.
Buti nga, di ko kayo binabayaan. Ayan,
Ay,
mali.
ang kapal.
Mali.
Try ba yun?
Hindi ako.
Ayun,
Ay guys,
joke yun.
mag-subscribe kayo sa channel nito, Simple Cheska.
Ano yung nakapital?
Ano? Yun.
Yun daw. Huwag natin na kayo.
Mabagal, mahina, ganun talaga.
Sino nasa likod? Ay, si Yana. Guys, si Yana. Yana. Uy, nahuli ka! Nagulat ako.
Grabe.
Wow, waliya. Oh my God.
Oh. Nauuna to eh.
Nakita ko sa camera, anong ginagawa ko ah.
Nauuna sa first year. Ngayon lang. Ang nakita ka.
Wow, nature.
Ay, gusto ko yun. Isa pa nga, Lia.
Wow, nature.
Yung aesthetic ito. Nagdasin na, tapos dinilalo mo na.
Uy.
Pwede yun ah.
A few moments later.
Favorite ko sa mga nature. Kala ko to.
To the point na baliw ka na, ganun. Ay, Amelia. Oh, perfect nap yun na. So, nawala na yung mga kaklase namin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 na lang kami.
Uy, mag-hi kay Precious.
Precious! Tabi-tabi po. Tabi-tabi po.
Ang daming tinanong.
Yun, dami pa. Buhay pa pala kayo dito. Tagal ka, di nakapunti ng mga 13 years na.
Buong buhay. Guys, mag-vlog daw ako kasi maganda. Yes! 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 Ang ingay! Sino ba yun?
Pwede ba sumigaw dito?
Yes! 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 Sigma, Sigma, bye! Sigma, bye! Sigma, bye! I love nature! Yes! Nature! Nature! Parang gusto ko na lang humiga dyan.
Mga kababayan. Libre dyan! Libre! Naari mo!
Parang siyang si King, no? Kaya nga eh! Di ba yan?
Guys, they love nature!
Sometimes.
So, ito guys, panalo na matatalo pa kasi ang taga. Tumatakbo, go! Takbo na! Bilis kami! Go guys! Takbo! Guys, ito na daw yung takbo, sabi ni Miss.
Hindi na ba yung takbo mo? Ay, ano ko? Ba't ka ba nahinto?
Ba't ka ba hinto? Ba't ka ba nahinto? Nahinto! Lang. Wala. Ligaya. Ligaya! Sanibigin ka. Yeah. Tanghali sa gabi. Yung na. Ito na yung pinakamahabang portion ng vlog ko. Like, buong vlog.
Vlog ka?
Oo,
Hiram camera.
buong vlog ko, ito lang yung meron. Hi, camera!
Ano mo, landscape dapat.
Landscape ba?
Kaya dito, Yo! Hindi ka na nag-vlog. May dito kayo.
Ay, video daw muna si Miss.
May videoan nyo daw si
Video daw si Miss.
Dito sila.
Carry ko talaga buong team. May pag-asa. Kaya pag dumaan dyan ako dyan, magkakapag-asa ako.
Meron.
Yun, no?
Asang matagal ka bumalik.
May pumasok na tinik sa socks ko, Miss!
Oh, bilisan nyo natin. Hi guys. Kasama ko si James Reid. Wow! Ano pangalan mo? Timothy ano?
Timothy James Pogi Hamo.
Wow, take note guys. Papalit na kami. Yeah.
Almost taller than me. May yellow kayo?
Kilala mo to?
May yellow to.
I don't know. Tignan mo. Girl.
Sa akin nakatutok. Ngani. Akin ngani nakatutok. Swimmer siya. Swimmer siya. Ilang pogi ko ata.
Pogi nga ata. Ata lang.
Matol. Wait lang to. Di kami. 1, 2. I fly like every day. Ay, nako. Picture.
Guys, si Dirk!
Pa-picture. Yo, what's up? Isang sir. Pa-picture nga. Ano ba? Picture with Simply Cheska, a future a rising star. With Dirk. I show speed clone.
Thank you.
Oh, ang kulay ng mukha ko.
Kulay ng mukha mo.
Ako rin, sobrang kulay. Pero isang kulay lang. Meron na ako. Meron na yan.
Kaway ka nga, kay kaso.
Zumuran. Luko. Binigay pa!
Hindi yun nasama.
Hindi nasama.
Tapos ulitin mo. Uwi na.
Miss sa'yo ako, miss.
Say hi to Jessica's vlog. Hello. Magay ka. Mag-hi kayo sa Jessica. Ay, sa vlog ni Jessica. Hello. Say hi, bro. Yaman niya. Tingnan mo, oh. O, pasan niyo. Vlog ni Jessica. Vlog ni Jessica. O, vlog niyo kayo isa at bigyan niyo pa sa likod. Tingnan mo yung kapon.
Bigay ko lang ako isa, tapos sa ano. Gusto nyo pa yung nuts ni Kyle?
Ganda ng ano, sunset. Diba? Ganda ng sunset. Sunset is very good. Mamaya na tong phone na to. Hindi, mamaya na. Diba vlog mo to? Vlog, dapat maano yan ng 40 minutes.
Vlog mo, sunset ba?
Haba ng vlog ko.
Oo.
Nagsa-sunsetting na yung sunset.
Kasi matagpa-plan. Bye, matulog kami.
Hindi ako matutulog, bibidyoan lang kita.
Data. Boy, saan ka natira?
Oy!